I have some Dalmation Jasper. That's one I do know the name of. And I'm going to make a bracelet out of it. And I got this a little over 3 and, well, it's around 3 3/8 of an inch. A little over 3 1/4. And I'm going to make sure that that fits. I've only cut 2 of them. That way if it don't, then I'm going to hold it here. And this is 20 gauge half hard wire. And it's round. Made a loop. And catch it here. Hold it with your pliers. You can go around 2 or 3 times. I don't know why, but I sort of like going around 3 times. Let's get it together. But really, you'd only need to go around twice. Now let's see if it, sometimes these stones are drilled funny where you can get in from one side but you can't get in from the other side. So if it don't work on one side, I think they must drill it and then turn it and drill it. I don't know. I don't know how they drill them, but sometimes it just won't go through one way. But you can get it through the other way. Excuse me. Hold it here, and you want it against your wrap down here, and turn it. Just turn that wire, and then wrap it around. And you'll have something that looks like that. And then we're going to hold it. And I might come back and make some pendants, because I made one out of some turquoise earlier and it turned out really pretty using a bead. Whoops, dropped it. They've been mowing hay around, or straw or something. And I'm allergic to grass, so probably not good for me to be outside in that when they're doing that. there's one link made. And I can use my other wire. It was 3 and what? And it was just enough. 3 3/8, that's what it was. I'm going to show you how to join them. I've got a frog in my throat, that sounds like. Alright, I'm going to show you how to join these. You bend it back, and then you wrap it around like you did this one. And it should look like that. And go over. That's what you want. And then you take your tail and stick it through. Now I'm going to hold it. This is, you can about do it. It's not dead soft. It's supposed to have been, but I think it's half hard. And I keep saying that on every video, I think. Because I've got dead soft and this ain't it. Now you've got something that looks like that with your other one attached. You could about make an ear wire, go up and file off the end and put a little dangle down here. But we're not doing that today. We're making bracelets. It's a pretty stone. Clip this, hold your wire where it's going to shoot off across the room, and then you step on it. Don't want to have to go to the doctor to get a piece of wire taken out of your foot. So I've already had to go to the dentist this week, and that's expensive. Sounds like somebody outside shooting off fireworks. Or a gun or something. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make the loop one more time, and then I'm going to take a break. And I'll be back to see we bend it back. That's what it looked like. Then you snap it on. So this will be, I'll take a break and then I'll add some more beads and we'll come back and we'll put a clasp on it. Because I don't think you want to see me do that same thing over and over and over again. Make the clasp for this bracelet. And I've got a 2-inch piece of 18 gauge wire. And let's see, what do I want to do? I want to take it and curl the end just a little bit. Till it touches. And then about that far in, I'm gonna start curling it around. And we've got something that looks like that. I haven't done anything to the end yet. Now we've got that. Probably need to trim that, but I'm going to see right where I want it and then I'll trim it. If I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna need to. So it's a hair bigger than what I wanted. Set it up right there against it. Let's tap on that in. Block. Open that up just a little bit like that. And just twist it. Always twist so you can get them to go back closed the way you want them. Put it through the end of one of your links. And then take it. It's hard to see whenever I'm under a camera. Sort of scoot it down a little bit. There. Now let's put the ring on the other side. Oh, I should have tapped it too. The last one I used was fairly soft. I think we use soft wire to make those. Always take your jump ring and hold it and twist it. Open. we're using this jump ring since it's so big for the other side of our clasp. You twist it back. Oops, I went too far. And then you work it till it goes together. Just little twisty turns. Okay. You might have to open that up just a hair because it didn't want to go through. But you want it enough that it'll catch it. If it doesn't. Well, we're finished with this one, except for maybe polishing it up, or I could antique it and then polish it again, and it would change the look altogether. I might do that at a later time, but I hope y'all have a good week and the rest of your day, and I hope to see you back soon. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.